Continuation of functions of financial system. In last class we studied up to risk transformation in function. Today we can study about geographical balance through funds. Okay, funds are collected in whole Indian territory through the primary and secondary market. At the same time, these funds are distributed to different parts of the country. Thus, the financial system helps in reducing regional imbalance in the country. Means wherever it's required in that area, they are distributing the funds. Okay, then through that one they can balance the geographical imbalance problem. Now, capital formation. Next point is capital formation. Our country suffers from low capital formation because of low savings and low flow of savings to proper usage. Financial institutions throughout the capital market and money market mobilize funds to increase the capital formation necessary for the nation building and development. Okay, means in our country we know some people have low savings and some people have more savings. Then these financial institutions collecting these savings and these funds they are transferring for capital formation. Okay, this is the function of capital formation. Okay, next one is reduces the cost of transaction. Financial system through financial institutions and market reduces the cost of financial service. The large scale financial operations reduces the cost per unit of financial services, and it motivates the savers to save more and the users to borrow more. Okay, then some financial institutions, what they are doing, they are reduces the cost per unit of financial service. We know we are using different financial service, transaction of money or depositing money, like that different financial service we are using. For this transaction, they are collecting less money, means cost per unit will be less. Then automatically people will use this facility more, and this motivates the savers to save more, or we will, if interest rate is more for fixed deposit, means people will do more fixed deposit. Like that they are reducing cost of transaction. Next one, provision of information. The important role of financial system is to provide a detailed information of business and governments, regulatory authorities to both investors and savers. Based on information supplied by the supplier, the users of money can make informed decision on their financial transaction. Means they are getting awareness about this transaction or this financial system. They are getting proper awareness or detailed information about regulatory authorities and about investment and about savings. All these details they are getting. Then people will get more tendency for doing investment or doing savings. Okay, then based on the information, people will use more facilities and they will take more decision on their financial transaction. Okay, then these are the functions of financial system. First function is link savers and borrowers. Second function, allocation of funds. Third function, mobilization of savings. Fourth function, bulk transformation of funds. Fifth one, maturity transformation of function. Next one, risk transformation function. Next one, geographical balance through funds. Next one, capital formation and reduces cost of transaction and provision of information. These are the main functions of financial system. Okay, next then we studied Indian financial system have 4 classification: financial institution, financial markets, financial instruments, financial service. We need to study about each classification. We can study this one in upcoming videos. Then financial market. Financial market is a place, first we can study about financial market. Financial market is a place where individuals are involved in any kind of financial transaction, refers to financial market. Financial market is a platform where buyers and sellers are involved in sale and purchase of financial products like shares, mutual funds, bonds and so on. Okay. Then a place where the individuals are involved in financial transaction, we are calling it as financial market. Okay. In financial market, financial arrangements will be there. That financial arrangements dealings with financial assets, currency, bonds, etc. Financial markets are the structure through which funds flows like primary and secondary market or money and capital market, like this various classifications are there. We can study that classification. Okay, before that we can study functions of financial market. First important function is mobilization of savings and channelizing them into most productive use. Okay, then savings they are channelizing into like investment or some other, like for capital, like that they are channelizing. That is the most important function of financial market. Second point, facilitate price discovery, means they are facilitating price discovery. And third point is provides liquidity to financial assets, means for financial assets they are providing liquidity. If you have a land, okay, you can put it in loan and you can get money, like that provides liquidity to financial assets. And fourth point, reduce the cost of transaction, means through financial market financial institution will be there. Then we know through this financial market also we can reduce the cost of transaction. Okay, then now we can study about classification of financial market. There is two classification, mainly two classification is there. First one is capital market and second one is money market. Okay, capital market we can classify into three: corporate security market, government security market and long-term loan markets. These are the main three classification of capital market: corporate security market, government security market, long-term loan market. Okay, money market we can classify it into two: unorganized market and organized money market. This corporate security market we can divide into two: primary market and secondary market. Okay, corporate security market we can divide it into two: primary market and security market. This capital market we know government security market is there, industrial security market is there, development financial market is there, financial intermediaries are there. Okay, in this one new issue market is there, old issue market is there. Okay, in industrial security market new issue market is there, old issue market is there. Then for development institutions, IFCI, ICICI, SFCS, IDBI, IIBI, UTI, like that different classifications are there. For financial intermediaries, merchant banks are there, mutual funds are there, leasing companies are there, venture capital companies are there and other financial organizations are there. These are the capital market classification in India. Okay, then now we can study what is capital market. Okay, then here this corporate security market we can classify into two, or government security market we can classify into two: primary market and secondary market. Okay, now capital market. capital market, it is a market for medium and long term funds. Okay, it includes, then main point in capital market is it is for medium and long term funds. Okay, capital market means it's for medium and long term funds. It includes all the organization, institutions and instruments that provides long term and medium term funds. Okay, it includes all organizations. We know all lot of organizations are there, institutions are there and instruments are there, all these things coming under the capital market. Okay, in capital market, it allocates capital resource among the alternative users. Means this capital market allocate funds to alternative users. It intermediate flow of saving of those who save a part of their income from those who want to save it is in productive assets. Okay, then flow of saving into means their savings. We know savings means it's a part of our income. Then this one they will channelize to investment. Okay, this one is the main function of capital market. Next one, features of capital market. Link between savers and investment opportunity. That one is the main feature of capital market. Link between savers and investment opportunities. Next point, deals in long term investment. Capital market means it is dealing with long term investment. Next one, utilizes intermediaries. It utilizes intermediaries. We know it utilizes intermediaries like brokers and registers, like debentures, like that intermediaries it utilizes. And determinant of capital, next point is determinant of capital formation. Means it is helping for capital formation. Next one, government rules and regulation. Depends on, main feature is it depends on government rules and regulations. Okay, then next one, types of capital market. There are two types of capital market, primary market and secondary market. In primary market, securities are sold for the first time. Means newly issued market, means newly issuing of security. That one is the primary market. In this market, securities are sold for the first time. New securities are issued from the company. What they are doing means new securities are issued from the company. What are the methods of flotation? Okay, the securities may be issued in primary market by the following methods. Okay, first method is public issue through the prospectus. First important method is public issue, means they are issuing shares or bonds like that, public issue through prospectus. And offer for sale, second one is second method is offer for sale. Third one is private placement, and fourth one is right issue, means for existing companies only they are issuing share or like that debenture or share, these things they are issuing for existing companies. Next one is IPOs. Then next one is IPOs, initial public offerings, means some companies issues their shares to publics. Okay, that one is IPO. Then next one is secondary market. The secondary market is the market for the sale and purchase of previously issued second hand securities. Means secondary market, the market for the sale and the purchase of previously issued second hand securities. Then primary market means it is newly issued securities, and in secondary market it is secondary issued securities.